In the vast expanse of the Himalayan range, loomed the mighty Mount Everest, a towering giant, shrouded in mystery and allure. For centuries, this peak had taunted mountaineers with its daunting presence, a challenge too great for any to conquer. But in 1953, two men dared to defy the seemingly insurmountable. Sir Edmund Hillary, a New Zealander, and Tenzing Norgay, a Sherpa from Nepal, embarked on a journey that would change the course of mountaineering history. The context was set. The world watched as these two men, from different backgrounds, united by their shared ambition, prepared for the ascent. The crisis loomed large, for the mountain was as unforgiving as ever, its icy slopes and harsh weather testing the limits of human endurance. Their journey began in April, when they set foot on the treacherous Khumjung Glacier. For 2 months, they faced blizzards, exhaustion, and the ever-present threat of avalanches. Yet, they pressed on, driven by their dream of reaching the summit. On May 29, they found themselves at Camp 4, perched precariously at 26,000 feet. The final ascent was a race against time and the elements. With the summit just a few hundred feet away, they fought the biting cold and the thinning air, each step a battle won, each breath a testament to their determination. Finally, on May 29, at 11:30 a.m., Sir Edmund Hillary planted his flag at the summit, a testament to their victory. Tenzing Norgay, by his side, raised his hands in triumph. They had done it. They had conquered the roof of the world. The consequences of their achievement were profound. They not only proved that man could conquer the highest peak on Earth, but also brought the world's attention to the Himalayas and the Sherpa people who had been an integral part of these expeditions for centuries. The story of Sir Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay's ascent of Mount Everest stands as a testament to human courage, determination, and the spirit of adventure. Their journey serves as a reminder that even the seemingly impossible can be achieved when one dares to dream and persevere.